What's up guys? SR back again, and today's video is gonna be quite awesome cause today I am gonna show you how to find your IP address using only 4 lines of Python. You can use any code editor, but I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code, which is efficient and easy for me, and inside the Python directory I'm gonna create a file name project1 and put the extension of py. I'm gonna zoom it a bit so that you can see it clearly, and I am gonna write my codes out there. Well, this was everything about the code, and let's check whether this code works fine or not. Look, it has successfully been able to withdraw my IP address, and let's check whether that IP was our real IP or not. So, I'll open command prompt and I'll write ipconfig command to know my IP address. Though, my IP address are same, but I am not gonna show you my IP address. So guys, this was everything about this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Please share this informative video, and you can subscribe this channel if you wish. Okay, bye, that's all for this video.